This race weekend takes us not to a racetrack or a race, but a look back in time to the 90s when cars looked fast and racy. Enjoy these perfectly restored or beautifully modified automobiles from the decade when many of us began our love affair with cars and motorsports.
Way back 2015, this started out as a meet among friends who are very passionate about 90s cars. And I guess parang we were toying around with a wish list of ano ba yung gusto namin makita in a meet, like what cars haven't we seen yet. That started out that way, and then yun, it snowballed into what you see now. Na parang it's 400 cars, different brands, different models, different rarities.
We had sort of a list of cars that we wanted to invite or we wanted to see at the events. So given that, we organized this curating system where we really handpick, as in one by one namin pag nag-submit kayo sa form namin once we open, we really go through everything and make sure that all the cars are cream of the crop, na talagang all properly built with a certain theme or a certain style that we're really after, whether it's something na medyo modern or something that harks back to the 90s era na setup.
Mostly, ang inaano lang naman is prepare nila maayos yung kotse, presentable, like mag-effort din sila para pag nag-apply sila ng opening ng Legends, ma-curate namin mabuti kung sino yung gustong makapasok dito and all. Yun lang naman.
The good news nowadays, medyo alam na ng mga tao ano yung mga proper etiquette, conduct para sa mga meets. So now medyo madali na kontrolin in a way. Hindi kagaya before na talagang malala. Siyempre may mga ilan na sumusubok pa rin, pero konti na lang. And pag nahuli sila, alam nila kagad na, oops, sorry. So, di mo natin maiwasan yun na lahat mababait. Pero at least, pag nahuli, they say sorry kagad. Alam nila yung ginagawa nila eh.
We periodically open, what do you call this, yung invitation to people to submit their builds. Siguro mga twice a year we open it, right? So this is our year opener event. And normally we would have something maybe that towards the end of the year to end the year. So though it's during those times na parang we open it.
For us, ang 90s era ng mga kotse, this is the golden era of cars. As much as possible, we really encourage everyone to try out and build one of these cars to their own satisfaction. Do it for what you want, do it for what you love. Every time we open our entries, please feel free to join us.
The turnout at the Legends of the 90s Car Meet 2024 opener makes us want to speed up time for another look back in the time to the 90s scheduled for the second half of 2024. Car nostalgia is a powerful thing.